30 years ago?
Yes, about 30 years
About 30
ago.
years? What kind of car do you say? Well, all I can tell you, stay tuned and you'll find out. Welcome to RCindustry. Well, hey, it's Rick here, and welcome to another exciting episode of RCindustry. Today, we're going to take the camper shell off the back of this thing, and we're going to go over to a buddy of mine's house, Dave. You've seen him on the channel before. Just let the traffic go by here. The traffic's going to slow down soon because they're going to rip this road all up and put all new plumbing or sewer lines, and water lines. So that's going to slow that traffic down a little bit, I think. Anyway, I digress. We're going to head over to Dave's and we're going to put his car in the back of this truck. So come along for the ride. What kind of car do you say? Well, all I can tell you, stay tuned and you'll find out. Well, here's what we're here to retrieve today. So we've got to take it out this way and then back it down the hill to the truck and then get it up on into the truck. And Dave assures me that it will fit in the back of the truck because he said he hauled it all the way from Michigan in the back of a pickup and then put it in the shed. And what'd you say, 30 years ago?
Yes, about 30 years ago.
About 30 years ago. So.
Yep.
All right, show you more. Well, that's truly a barn find there. Look at the dust on it. Yeah, the ones I was seeing had this, but they didn't all have the piece that goes here, which you've got.
Yep.
So
all a person would need to do is have those chromed, right?
I think they're in.
I think
they look like they were in good enough shape.
I think even a person could paint them. Clean them up.
I think you can just clean them up. See?
Oh yeah.
Because they go on here somehow.
Yeah.
Actually, I bet this is the one for this side. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So
that was a step.
Oh, that is the step. That's the step to get in. Okay, makes sense.
Huh.
Well,
never looked at it. Really?
Okay. Okay. So the door, this is how you get in it, I guess, huh?
Yep.
Oh, yeah, there you go. Yeah, it said they were 4 speeds with a reverse.
Yeah. And 4-speed on the left side.
I'll be darned. Cool.
Yep.
All right, well, let's work on getting this thing out of here. Let me see how the wheels
But,
you think the motor's turning?
Yeah, it feels like it is, but there's the, Eric, there's the, see if it's in neutral.
No, in the new gear shift?
Yeah,
Okay.
see if it's in neutral.
I think it is.
That's neutral, okay.
And the brake is released, and that's neutral. So.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah, let's move it on out a little. Okay, now where the back wheels are at.
We're gonna
We have to have something for
to
that.
realign them. Let's see. We got blocks. We got,
Yeah, because it's going to have to come forward before we can get the...
yes, we can't, Eric, we got this I got another, I got this 2x6 here.
Okay, here we go. Come on. Okay.
Very cool. Now we can,
I put it in gear.
now we can remove all this stuff if we need that area. This is your board.
Oh, yeah, well, that's fine, whatever. Well, there it is.
Oh, it's out.
I'd hate to drive that thing to Indy, but it definitely is. You could take that to the golf course.
Yes.
It says Izetta 300 on it.
Okay. Okay.
So it's not a 250.
So they didn't make a...
The 300 has the bigger engine in it.
Okay.
Still a 1-cylinder, but...
Okay. I saw all the, there was oil on that,
It just won't fit.
we can put something up, put some kind of a, hey, here's a, here. I got a,
Well, let's see if we take that. It only lacks about that much.
Well, if it's sitting on the fender wells.
Is that what it's doing?
just against it.
Well, I think it's hitting against the fender rail over here. The tires.
Or,
We
like,
roll-
we
It's
could
sitting
even,
against the fender well.
we could shorten up that block just a little.
Well, I did that, but
Well,
now,
we could shorten it up a little
if we
more.
move it over here about 2 inches, it'll go back another ½ inch, and then it'll
Fine,
shut.
I know we can do that.
Hold on. The wheels are turning. Try it again. Okay, now let's see if it'll go back. Will it go back in more? Oh, I've got it tight. Let me loosen the strap. Yeah, I see something that's holding it over here. Unless it's holding it there. You want to do this, probably. Return the wheel. There.
Oh, it moved down a little bit. I think you're good. Yeah, you're good now. You've got plenty of room
I
now.
think it should shut.
Yeah, it does back into it when you do that stuff. Oh yeah.
Now, we could take that thing and stuff it down in there.
Yes.
If
Yep.
you get your strap tight again, it's not going to go anywhere for sure. Now. Some people hang around smart people, and things just work out.
I don't mind that.
That'll work. That should work.
With enough people, not smart people.
Yeah. Yep.
Shop RC Industry. Yes, you can go to Shop RC Industry and you can get you this trucker's hat. Order online today. We also have shirts, white, gray, and black. And wintertime is coming, so get you a hoodie. We appreciate any purchase you make on Shop RC Industry. You can go to the About section in your phone, scroll down to the very bottom and click on that tab and it'll take you right there. All the proceeds are going back into the builds here at RC Industry. Here at RC Industry, we're making it just like brand used, baby. Well, if 355 says it's okay, it's gotta be okay. Boys, we got another one, a 1972 Pinto. Yes, it was made by Ford, and yes, they had gas tank troubles, but this one is a beauty. There it goes. Yep. She's a mess, guys. That stupid air compressor, that thing kicks on every time I'm recording.